Hello everyone, this is basically my first video with Facecam on my YouTube channel. So let's get back to the screen now, and you can see I have my screen here. I'm using ChatGPT 4 and I'm going to paste my prompt here. So this is my prompt. What I am saying to ChatGPT, you have to act as a computer science teacher, right? And then I'm giving it semicolon. Then I'm asking it to create a detailed tutorial for me to learn the basics of programming. The programming language should be within this bracket. We have used Python. The topic is whatever topic we are going to give it here. Create 3 sample codes, easy, medium and hard, including the appropriate output for each. Describe the snippets in step-by-step instruction. Address each topic with a detailed explanation. So for example, data science is a very trending topics right now, and it's like you can get a very good job if you know data science. You have certification like Google certification or any other thing. So let's get started with the data science, right? So simply replace the data science and press enter. Now see the magic of ChatGPT. It's going to give us some awesome content. So easy data exploration with pandas. It is giving us some step-by-step instruction. Like if I scroll up, you can see it has given us this command. If you have Python installed already in your machine, you can simply use this command pip install pandas, whether you're using Jupyter Notebook or your PyCharm IDE. Then you have to use, like if you go down here, it has given us some code along with the comments. That's good. Like load data, you can simply load your CSV file and then display data using this. And it is for example, if our data has age column, we can find the mean age. So let's see the output. So it has also shown us, that's a good thing, expected output. So for example, we have 3 rows in our data, like 25, 32 and 47 are the ages. We have income and gender. So the mean age is 38.5. If you know mathematics and statistics, you know how to calculate mean value manually, right? So let's go down. This was the easiest example which it has given us. Now let's move to the medium example, which is like data visualization with matplotlib and seaborn. So these are the 2 libraries in Python which are used to visualize the data, like graphs and charts and bar etc, right? So you can simply install using this command: pip install matplotlib, pip install seaborn, load data, create a plot and enhance the plot. So let's see the code snippet. So here is the code snippet. We are simply importing our libraries, then loading the data, and using SNS is used for seaborn as a shortcut. And when we are plotting the data of ages and historical plot, right, histogram, and we are giving it title, age, distribution, age and frequency. Like it will show you histogram displaying the distribution of ages in the data set. So I think it has not shown us the output here because it was usually image, and it ChatGPT 4 works good with our text. So then we have hard example, which is machine learning is scikit-learn. So we are going to use our machine learning example here. What basically we do in machine learning, we have some data, we train our machine learning model on that data, and we also have some test data. So based on those trainings, we test our data and do the validation, like what is the percentage of accuracy of our trained model, right? So if I go down here, you can see we have used scikit library, and from here are the imports. sklearn, we have import, train and test, split. Linear regression is the name of machine learning model, and then mean square error, which is used to calculate the accuracy, right? So here you are seeing we are importing the data. On X we are putting age and income, and on Y we have expense, which is the target variable. So we will train our data on age and income, and we will like calculate what is the target expense of that particular data row. So here we have simply split our data in this row. So we have 2 training data X and Y and 2 test data X and Y, right? Then we have initiate our model of machine learning using linear regression, using this line of code, and we have used this model.fit. So X train and Y train, right? So we have in this line we are training our model on training data. Okay, so here is a new line which is used for prediction. So we are now predicting our test data on using our trained model. And after that, whatever the using the mean square error, we will compare our prediction with the actual values of test data, which is in y underscore test, right? So let's see what the expected output here is. You can see the mean square error of this model is like 24355.77 something. So what I'm trying to tell you here, like ChatGPT is a very powerful tool, right? Using that you can learn any topic in the world, along with visualization and text. It will create you some awesome content. For example, in this video we try to learn the Python, and we'll try to learn the data science using the Python programming language. And basically I'm trying to teach you here prompt engineering. Like if you give some powerful prompts to the ChatGPT, you can get a very good response. If instead of this beautiful prompt I have simply written a one-line prompt, there won't be this much detailed and very good explanatory result. You can see. Let's analyze our prompt once again. So what I told to ChatGPT, you have to act as a computer science teacher, create a detailed tutorial for me to learn the basics of programming. So here I wanted to learn the basics of programming, not the intermediate or advanced level, right? And then I told them to the programming language name, which is Python, and the topic is data science, right? So I wanted to learn the data science in Python, right? Then I asked them to create 3 sample codes, which should be easy, medium and hard, including the appropriate output for each. So it is using some sample data and also creating the output. And then I asked them to describe all the code in step-by-step instructions, and you can say with headings, and address each topic with a detailed explanation. So what good about this, you can create your own PowerPoints and a Word and PDF using this, all the content which ChatGPT has created. It's a very good content, right? You can use it to teach others and improve your programming and data science skills. So I hope you will like my video. If this was helpful for you, please like this video, share with your friends, and do subscribe my channel. It will help me a lot. And I will put this power prompt in the description of this video as well as in the pinned comment. Thank you very much for watching me. Bye.